Hello and welcome to our brand new channel Creation Mania, and our first video is going to be AI like Midjourney Dall-E versus actual Photoshop creations. AI made this shark in space, so I'm gonna do my artwork now. So let's get into this. Bring our first image in Photoshop, which is going to be satellite. Select the pen tool and mask around it to get rid of background. Very neatly done. After you mask it out, adjust the size to your requirements. I'm gonna make it little smaller and just place it around here. So far so good. We bring our second image and it's a shark. Let's do same for this shark and mask it out by using the pen tool just like that. The scene is very empty, so we need a background here. I found this galaxy image for that. I'm gonna adjust it to my artboard and rename because I don't want anything mess up. It's time to bring our second shark and I marked it as well. Make the size smaller and place in corner just like so. Adjust the background scene brightness and make it more brighter. We need some planets for the space theme, so we got it here. I made the planet little bigger and placed at bottom corner. Rotate it so brighter side is towards center. Make it very blue by hue and saturation and some color balance. It's time to paint some highlights on the background for the planet. Take soft round brush and paint very slightly around the edges. Make the brush bigger and paint. Very nice. The planet itself needs some highlights and brightness, so we do it now by hue saturation again. Invert the mask and paint inside the edges. Very nice. Add some outer glow as well. It's damn gorgeous. Let's bring another planet and adjust it around. I'm gonna place it below that shark. Make it very bright and yellowish looking. Paint some yellow outer glow in the environment as well as planet itself. Bring back our shark and adjust its colors. Make it little yellowish. The light from the background planet needs to cast some highlights on the shark, so I'm gonna paint that. Looking very good. Satellite needs highlights as well, so I painted that and placed behind that shark. I want that satellite in some motion, so I need to add motion blur to it. Let's spice up the environment with the smoke. I placed the smoke image and turned the blend mode to screen. And make it yellowish to paint highlights of yellow light there from the background. Same goes for the bottom side but with blue color instead. Mask in some parts with soft round brush. Giving it some final touch by camera raw filters. And here are the final results. I hope you liked it. If so, then please like and subscribe. My next video will be submission for penny edit for this month, so stay tuned for that.